Honey, my phone's screen keeps spinning, and I can't tap anything. Is it broken? If you're working or studying far from home and receive a call like this from your parents, wouldn't you feel anxious and helpless? Asking them to fix it themselves might get them ripped off. Explaining how to operate it over the phone is impossible. Today, I'm sharing a software I've used for a long time. It allows you to fix their phones in 10 minutes, even if they're thousands of kilometers away, and they practically don't need to learn anything. The tool is Gbyte. What you need to do is very simple. Step 1. Send them the official download link and have them install it on their computer. Yes, just one step. Step 2. Have them connect their phone with a data cable. Then, find the big repair button on the computer screen and click it. That's it. Their job is done. Just 2 steps: install and click. They don't need to know what a white screen of death is. They don't need to describe the problem. Just click. Step 3. The rest is up to you. You can watch the progress via screen sharing, or just wait for them to tell you, "Hey, it's done." Throughout the process, their photos and WeChat chat history remained completely intact. It was like magic for them. Love sometimes is helping them solve these seemingly small problems and preventing them from feeling helpless. If you've ever struggled with this, share this video and tag the person you most want to help. That's the best gift. Download Gbyte now and get a 30% discount by licensing your parents' devices. This isn't consumption, it's an investment in love. I'm Gbyte. Follow me for more tips on how to make technology add warmth to your life. See you next time.